Hello there, my name is Georgi and I'm a junior business analyst at MentorMate. My aim with this video is to provide you with insights on what a business analyst does within software development, and why having one on your project will aid you in delivering a well-defined and refined product into the market. Even before the project kickoff begins, you might ask yourself, well, should I add a business analyst to my team? Wouldn't that be an additional cost in the long term, when what I really need is someone to code our product? To that I would like to say that having a business analyst will undoubtedly increase the initial budget for the project. Even so, it will vastly reduce the amount of rework required. When the product is delivered to the business users, you'll often hear them say, I didn't really want this, I wanted that. Additionally, you would also have improvements that take the shape of stakeholder requests, change requests, or overall refinements. That's where your costs will skyrocket. So, what would the benefits be if you were to add a business analyst early on in your project? To begin with, a business analyst provides clarity on what the product's timeline looks like, on when the functional product that the clients can interact with will be released, and that, in turn, aids you in getting customer feedback as early as possible. Bundling those together results in reduced rework time and saves your business cost expenses. A business analyst also helps reduce the time and cost that it takes to arrive at a definitive answer on the way that the product will function. If we were to consider the involved stakeholders or product owners behind the project as the visionaries, then the business analyst would be the tactician. The tactician will direct the visionary's attention to the most cost-efficient solution. For instance, if a requirements meeting turns into duplicate ones just to resolve one issue, then that will also increase the development and deployment time that it will take for your product to reach the market. A good business analyst will present solutions and ensure that the product doesn't derail from the agreed upon delivery timeline. The last subject for this video would be how to improve and develop your product iteratively. Working within the Scrum framework means that the developed product is subject to constant incremental improvements that can be included in it. Those changes are either on how the product looks or how users will interact with it. The business analyst will revise both the initial and the amended requirements, document them, and will also make certain that the Scrum team is informed of the changes that need to be applied, and in turn provide the product owners with the estimated time it will take to have those issues resolved. I hope you found this informative, and stay tuned for the next MentorMate video.